be okay. It's like a big clearing out there. There's creatures that live on it. It's them fly back and forth, turn red, and their blood is saturated with oxygen. Oh, it's you. Sorry, I didn't know you were here. Oh, no, I don't mind. It's just I didn't really have any cool plans for today. I was just relaxing here for now, getting ready for my next adventure. So, we really didn't get a chance to talk much the last time you were summoned here. How are you doing? Not much has changed around here since you left. But I guess there has been more air traffic lately, especially around the space elevator. Brannigan must have something big planned. Yeah, a space elevator. See that pyramid on the other side of the lake? Has a big cable coming from its peak. The pyramid is the base of a space elevator, and that cable, the tether, is basically one long elevator shaft stretching up into high orbit. You can't really appreciate how high it goes when it's cloudy like this. It looks much cooler at night when the sky is clear. You can see the tether going all the way up into the stars. Oh, I don't remember exactly how high it is. I want to say like 70,000 kilometers, like 45,000 miles. Yeah, it's tall. The entire tether is more than long enough to wrap around the planet. Heh. You say you want to ride the elevator up now, but I can tell you it loses its charm real quick. It takes like a week for the elevator to reach the station at the center of the tether. Twice that if you want to go all the way up to the counterweight at the top. And the worst part is, the elevator music sucks. That was a joke. There is no elevator music. Maybe someday you'll get to see what it's like. But for now, we're keeping our butts on the ground. Hey, you want to skip stones on the lake? Yeah? Alright. That was a good throw. Alright, check this one out. Let's see you beat that. Ooh. Damn. Ah. Alright, well, I made that one easy for you. Alright, now, we gotta do them both at the same time. Well, that didn't work out. So, where are you from? Oh yeah? That's cool. What's it like there? Neat. What are things like on Earth right now? I'm not just talking about where you live. What's the world like? Society still chugging along, or has everyone turned into zombies? Sorry. I guess that's a weird question. Yeah, I guess I'm not surprised there's war. Kind of always is. Part of human nature, I guess. Anything else interesting happened lately? Huh? What kind of virus? Oh, that's horrible. Sorry, I was just thinking about some people. I hope everyone's okay. Are you okay? Well, that's good news at least. Alright, that's enough sad stuff. Tell me something good that happened. I'm sure you can think of something. Doesn't even have to be big news. What's something good that happened with you lately? Well, alright. Thanks. It can be hard not to focus on the bad stuff sometimes. At least that's how I was before I left. Sometimes there's things you just can't control, you know? Just gotta play with the cards you're dealt. And hey, if you ever need to get away from it all, even just for a little bit, there's a whole world here that I could use your help exploring. Whoa. That one flew kinda close. Looked like a heavy lift platform. Oh, there's nobody piloting any of the aircraft. Nope, there's nobody in any of the buildings or the pyramid either. Everything here is automated. There's nobody else here. We're the only humans on the whole planet. Technically, you're not even here. Your consciousness just gets projected to this planet whenever Brannigan decides to summon you. Don't worry, your true body is still back on Earth, sound asleep until your return. All the flight paths of the aircraft have been plotted out ahead of time. It's part of why they all seem so synchronized. They do have some preset limitations, though. You might notice none of them are flying anywhere near the elevator. I've never actually seen an accident happen, but you can imagine how devastating it would be if one of the aircraft crashed into the tether. Right now, they're all bringing supplies to this side of the lake, where it gets loaded onto ships to be transported over to the pyramid. Then, it gets stored and eventually loaded onto the elevator, so it can be sent up to supply space exploration. There'll be a ship arriving soon to take me on our next mission. Seems we'll be going to the north to explore some of the great salt flats. Should be cool. Not sure what kind of creatures can live in such a hostile place, but I guess we'll find out. You'll probably be returning to Earth before we arrive. I hope you get to join me there soon. Hey, what month is it? Back on Earth, I mean. November. Autumn. I remember the trees were so beautiful when they'd change colors. I always loved the smell of the fallen leaves, and that crunch you'd get with every step when walking outside. Hearing the wind blowing through the trees. I miss trees. There's nothing like them on this planet. There's not really much plant life at all, actually. Most of the water here is too salty. It's mostly just algae and cyanobacteria. Hey, do you think... Guess we're out of time. Thanks for talking with me. See you next time.